Welcome back. This question asks us to find the shaded area. So as you can see, the bigger one is a rectangle. The yellow one is also a rectangle. We're going to find the shaded area. So the idea is use a bigger rectangle area minus the yellow, the small one, and then we will have the shaded area. Recall that area of rectangle is length times width, so the bigger one is 8 times 10. The small one is 3k times 2k or 2k times 3k. The order does not affect the final product. Therefore, we have 80 minus 6k squared. That's it. You got it. Now, let's look at next question. This one, we also need to find the area of this rectangle. Length times width. We can use the FOIL method, table method, or we call it a box method, or we can use our vertical multiplication. Let's try our box method. Or some people call it a table method. X plus 5, we're going to write down here, and 2x minus 9 right down here. Let's look at what is 2x times x. That gives us 2x squared. And let's look at what is x times negative 9. It gives us negative 9x. Now let's look at what is 2x times 5. That gives us 10x. I'm going to erase the extra so you won't think we're adding a box here. We're not. Just color it so you know which part we're working on. The last one is 5 times negative 9. Negative 45. Okay? Alright. Last step, we're going to copy down and also combine like terms. Our like terms here, 10x and a negative 9x gives us 1x. Then we copy down 2x squared, 1x minus 45. There you have it. This is how we use a polynomial to represent the area. Sometimes it's a shaded area. Sometimes they just give you a color. Alright, happy learning.